And in this short video, I am going to tell you how to register for CorelDRAW Masterclass. So what is CorelDRAW Masterclass? It is a paid webinar for 2 consecutive days for 2 hours each day, which will cover in-depth and powerful tools of CorelDRAW, which will help the professional designer to save the time and get the work done by CorelDRAW to avoid manual errors. On the day 1, vector graphics and font manager will be covered, and day 2, working with bitmaps. So how to register for Masterclass? To register for CorelDRAW Masterclass, you need to visit www.corelindia.co.in. When you visit to the website, you need to go to resource menu. Inside resource, you will find CorelDRAW Masterclass. So when you click on this, it will ask you to register. Click to register now. When you click on it, you will get a registration form. So without delay, you just fill all the details. You can also scan the QR code which is shown on the screen. If you have any remark, you can just mention over here. When you click on the submit button over here, on the same day, you will get the details of masterclass which is going to happen in the current month.